Alright, hi everyone, welcome back. Now before we get started this week, just remember to subscribe for more weekly videos. I do weekly videos on Trading 212 platform here in the UK. And yeah, let's get into the video. Now it's been quite a while since we've done a portfolio update. December is usually a crazy month for me. So that's just why life has got in the way really. But yeah, as you can see, the portfolio is doing really pretty well, 30% up. This is sort of the thing on Trading 212 is it doesn't show total returns, so that is just from what I've got invested. Now I've found out that if you go into the history, your total returns are there at the bottom. So £563 in profit, and then there is your return on your sort of money as well. But yeah, where have I been putting my money then? A big chunk of it was going into obviously Tesla and Bitcoin really. Bitcoin is doing fantastically well. Now there is a bit of news here. Now on this, if anyone is in the UK, I'm not 100% sure if it applies to Europe. This fund is based in Germany. Basically it's a Bitcoin tracking fund. And it just tracks the price of Bitcoin, but it's actually backed by Bitcoin, unlike some other sort of derivative traded things. But yeah, if you notice here, it says Bitcoin ETP will be placed in close-only mode on the 6th of the 1st, 2021. Now, I think it was, if I have a quick look, it was something to do with FCA ruling. Prohibiting the sale to retail clients of investment products that are reference crypto assets. Basically, it was just a piece of legislation from, I'm sure it was from the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK or something, meaning that any sort of crypto investments can't be traded. So that is very, very frustrating, because I've been doing my crypto investing through here, rather than the company I normally use, because obviously through here it's all tax-free, which is fantastic. But yeah, it's not to be, so we're gonna have to move on. But yeah, we'll go to the actual biggest holding, Tesla. It's nearly $680 now. It's still pulling pretty strong. As you can see, the return there, 1,600. The actual real return before the stupid FX impact would be like £1,700. But what can you do? You can actually invest in the Tesla UK. I'm sure you can, Tesla UK, on London Stock Exchange. But it is what it is. Still pretty decent gains. So it's really worked out well. If we look back at some of the earlier videos on this channel, where I'd kind of made like a dividend, the main focus was dividend. I just sat down and reassessed everything and thought, you know what, I'm still relatively young, I can take a lot of risk, and but there's a few things that I believed in, and one of them really is Bitcoin. I am in Bitcoin for the long run. Tesla, I did spend quite a lot of time researching Tesla over the last couple of years. I kind of wish I'd have pulled the trigger earlier, but that's how it is. But yeah, there's still sort of things I believe in, and the only time I've ever gone wrong is when I've been investing in things that I don't really understand. And the classic saying of, buy what you know sort of thing, only invest in what you understand, it's really rung true with me. So I've just stuck to what I know sort of thing. And so the returns have been really, really good. I mean, it would take me a long time getting that sort of return with dividends. But still, I am very passionate about dividends, because they still make up a big part of my portfolio. And I've been trying to get mainly monthly income dividends, so we could sort of compound things quicker. So we've got realty income there. I've got LTC properties there. Shaw Communications, Stag Industrial, and Store Capital. Store Capital, I've been putting quite a bit of money into that as well. Store Capital, 4.3% dividend yield, which is not too bad. The dividends I've actually received since opening this in April is £57, which I don't think is too bad really, considering it's only been running since April, so what's that, 8 months or something, so it's not too bad at all. But what I have done is I've sold a lot of positions. So if you look in the top here, I've got about £1,500 in cash sat waiting. Now, I'm researching companies and I'm looking for another opportunity, but in the meantime, I'm sort of just holding back because I think there will be opportunities coming, especially in the earlier parts of this year, with everything that's going on in the world. I think there's going to be decent opportunities. But that's just my opinion, and you need to do your own research. But yeah, I thought I'd just give a quick update there on the portfolio, and that it's doing quite well. I hope everybody had a nice Christmas, and as nice as it can in these crazy times. But we'll keep doing updates as best I can. I'm just going to keep deploying capital to the account. Even if I'm not investing, I'm still going to put money into the account. And I'll keep looking for them opportunities. But if I do make any significant purchases or sells, then I'll keep you updated. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll speak to you all soon.